Hi there, folks. My name is Pandigil. My shower had broke, and it's by Delta. What happened is my wife was taking a shower one day, and it just fell off. And I'll show you what it is. It's basically this unit. I don't know what the model number is, but this is what it looks like. And there was a plastic hinge that held it in place, and it just snapped off. So basically, the way it is. This would be the proper way for it to be, and then you just fastens on to the where the water disperses out of. So the Delta is really good, so you should call the one your number. And they did send me a replacement, and this is what it looks like. So they couldn't find the exact one. I'm actually happy they sent me this one because this one's an upgraded version of the old one. So to show you, that's what my shower looks like. And basically it's just a screw on, and that's all we're going to be doing. And so once it's done, I'll show you the finished product. But before we do start fastening it on, there's a Teflon tape that needs to go on it. So we'll get started. I'm starting to put the Teflon tape. I guess I'm not tall enough or something, so I just can't reach it. So what I'm going to do is break it off. And you can do that too if you're short like me. And then reapply the Teflon tape. So I'm not sure how you're supposed to put the Teflon tape, but I don't think it really matters which way you go to put it on. So I'm going to put it on the head. I'm going to make sure it's snug tight. And folks, that's all there is to it, and thank you for watching. Oh, please do subscribe to the channel, as I'll be posting more stuff as we go along. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and comment down below.